Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm thrilled to have you here for another Stock Lock Sunday. Last week we looked at this Master Lock 141 DLF, and well, this week we're going to be taking a look at the 25mm Ace brass-bodied steel shackle padlock. This is on the lower end of their security scale. They generally just have, you know, general security and high security, and I think they have a max security option, but they didn't have any of those locks in stock when I was in the store. So let's go ahead and slice this one open. I have a feeling it's going to take me longer to get out of the package than it will to get into the lock, but we'll see here. Little tiny keyway and Ace padlocks made in China now. So definitely not expecting much on the security level. But let's go ahead and try and see what we can see. I'll start with that pick and probably a 40 thousandths pry bar would be my guess. If I can even hold on to this tiny thing and use the pry bar. All right, so that was one. That was two, three. I think I overset something, but it's easy to do in this tiny little keyway. That was one, two, back to the front, that's on one, two's bound, that was two, one drop back down, okay, that was pin 4 and that opened us up. I think there might have been some spools in here. I'm not going to tear it apart to show you, but there's our key bitting. Not that strong of a key bitting. Probably could have easily raked this one open, but there we go. The Ace 1-inch or 25mm brass padlock. Fun little lock. Next week we'll be taking a look at the next size up, which is the 29mm. So go ahead and look forward to that. And for now, everyone, please be safe. Don't do anything illegal. Please like, comment, subscribe. And if you see a lock out there in the wild and you don't have one of these for it, don't stick one of these in it. All right, bye-bye now.